Let capital A equal to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and let f such that a to n be defined by f of n equal to the highest prime factor of n. Find the range of f. Okay, so here this A represents domain. A represents the domain, n represents the codomain. Okay, so f of n equal to highest prime factor of n. Okay, so for f of x we write x as the input, f of x as the output. Here also here f of n is given, so n is the input and f of n is the n equal to input and f of n is the output. Okay, for f of x is the input, and f of x is the output. Okay, so input is also called as domain, output is also called as range. Okay, but in the given problem we have f of n. Okay, so n is the input or domain. Okay, f of n is the output or range. Okay, so A is the domain, n is the codomain. So to find the highest prime factor we have to prime factorize the given number. Okay, so the numbers are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so the initial step is to find the prime factors of corresponding elements. Okay, so the prime factor for 9, okay, 9 is 3 into 3 into 1. Okay, so 9 can be divisible by 3, so 3 3s are 9, 3 1. Okay, so 3 into 3 into 1. Okay, for 10 10 can be divisible by 2, 2 5s are 10, so 5 1. Okay, so 2 into 5 into 1. Okay, among this 5 is the highest prime factor for 10. Okay, 3 is the highest prime factor for 9. Okay, for 11 can be divisible by 11, 1 11 is 11. Okay, so for 11 we have 11 into 1. Okay, for 12 2 6 3 2 3 3 1. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So the prime factor for 12 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. Okay, so here the highest prime factor for 12 is 3, the highest prime factor for 11 is 11. Okay, for 13 can be divisible by 13, so 1. Okay, 13 into 1. Here the highest prime factor for 13 is 3. So the highest prime factor for 9 is 3, highest prime factor for 10 is 5, highest prime factor for 11 is 11, highest prime factor for 12 is 3. Okay, we have 2 2 3 1. Okay, among these 3 is highest. So highest prime factor for 13 is 13 into 1, so which is equal to 13. The highest prime factor for 13 is 13. Okay, so n is the domain, f of n is the range. Okay, so input, domain is input, range is output. So in the domain we have 9. For domain we have 9. So f of n equal to highest prime factor of n. So f of 9 equal to highest prime factor of 9, f of 10 equal to highest prime factor of 10. Okay, so here 9 equal to domain is 9, so output f of 9 equal to highest prime factor of 9. The highest prime factor for 9 is 3. Okay, because prime factors are 3 into 3 into 1, so 3 is highest. Okay, 10. Okay, so 10, f of 10 equal to highest prime factor of 10. Okay, for 10 the highest prime factor is 5. Okay, so which is equal to 5. Okay, for 10 the highest prime factor of 10 equal to 5. Next element is 11, so f of 11 equal to highest prime factor of 11. So highest prime factor of 11 is, prime factors are 11 and 1, so 11 is highest. Okay, so highest prime factor of 11 equal to 11. 12, next element is 12, so f of 12 equal to highest prime factor of 12. So for 12 we have 2, 2, 3, 1. Among these 3 is highest, so the highest prime factor for 12 is 3. Highest prime factor for 12 is 3. For 13, highest prime factor of 13 is 13. Okay, so because 13 and 1 are the factors of 13, okay, so 13 is the highest. Okay, so in the range we have 3, 5, 3, 5, 11, 3 and 13. Okay, but we have two same outputs that are 3 and 3. Okay, 3 and 3. Okay, but instead we have to write the we have to write the number 3 as only one time. Okay, so the ranges are 3, 3 comma 5 comma 3 comma 5 comma 11 comma 3 comma 13. Okay, 3 comma 5 comma 11 comma 13. Okay, so the range is 3 comma 5 comma 11 comma 13. Okay, in set theory we should not repeat the element. Okay, 2 times we have 3 as output for 9 and 12. Okay, so we have to write only one time. Okay, so the range is, range of f equal to 3 comma 5 comma 11 comma 13. Okay.